Riding means different things to everyone. For me, it's just freedom. On a bike, I feel pretty much invincible. It's never been a dull day.
Over the next 2 weeks, you will be traveling throughout the Northeast to document intangible cultural heritage practices that are not yet very well known.
The Himalayas have been extremely close to my heart. It was an opportunity to experience the Great Himalayas, but also it was a lot more purposeful. The fact that we were out documenting the intangible cultural heritage.
We all somewhere like traveling and meeting people. The maximum interaction that we have with the local populace is when we meet the staff at a hotel, we ask for a glass or a wine or maybe a beer, and that'll be that, right? The reason why this is so special is because we have seen so many different facets of lives, so many communities, that we have actually come out richer.
So I think it's a good idea to do a bit of research before traveling and gather some information about the land. Once we are with the community, paying attention to what is around and being sensitive to the people and place gives us an opportunity to interact and even be a part of their cultural practices.
They were singing, they were chatting, they had brought along food, they shared with each other, and they walked back home and they still had a smile on their face.
Although we are the ones saying that, we are documenting, the reality is that it's us who's becoming better. We have learned that there's very little wastage in the way they do things. There is this open air of hospitality. It's very enriching to realize that those basic nuances that make us human are still alive.
That's what exploration is, isn't it? You go looking for answers, and yet you come back even more curious.